Hello friends, welcome to Let's Fab. In today's video, I am going to explain you how to generate flat pattern layout or fabrication layout for the various fabrication applications. In your day-to-day fabrication activity, you might know that there are several types of fabrication shapes that we are used in pressure vessel fabrications or any types of fabrications where we find various applications of flat patterns or fabrication layout. Most of the common, there are 22 shapes that are most widely used fabrication shapes in a fabrication field. That's we are going to learn in this video how we can generate flat pattern layout or marking for this fabrication layout. So let's move forward. First of all, you have to open your mobile browser and type Let's Fab in Google search and click on the search button. When you click on the search button, Google will give some result to you. Just scroll down below to find the first link of our website, that is letsfab.in, and click on the letsfab.in website and it will open the home page of our website. When you come to home page of our website, you will find the menu button at upper right corner of our website. Just click on the menu button. It will open the various menus available with our website, and you have to just click on the Our Apps menu where all the tools are listed over there. When you click on the Our Apps, it will open the Our Apps page where lots of the fabrications calculators that are used in a pressure vessel fabrications or any other fabrication industries, that are various tools developed by the Let's Fab. You can use according to your applications, but in today's video we are going to explain flat pattern layouting. That's why this is the first tool that was available at the fabrication flat pattern. You might be see that here icon is there and some short description also written over there, and one button is over there, the download app for Android or Apple device. You can use this calculator in both your Android device also, and you can also use it in your Apple device also. I am just clicking on the download app for Android or Apple device. When we click on this button, it will open the fabrication flat pattern description page, this calculator description page, where all the description related to this calculators or this tool has been listed over there. You have to just scroll down below. You will get two links for the downloading this app. So first link, click here to download app for Android device, and click here to download app for Apple device. In my case, I have an Android device. That's why I am clicking on the first link. In your case, whatever your device use, you can choose according to your device. I am clicking on the first link. Click here to download app for Apple device. When we click on this link, it will open the Play Store where this app has been listed over there. In my case, I have already downloaded this app. That's why it's directly showing the open button over there. If you are not already downloaded this app, you just click on the install button available over there and wait for downloading this app and installing. After completion of installation, you will get same open button highlighted by green color over there. Just click on the open button. It will open the welcome screen of this app. You have to just wait till complete this progress bar to 100%. I'm just wait for completing this 100%. Once this progress bar has been completed, it will open the home page of this app where the lots of the fabrication flat pattern options are available there. In this app, there are 22 shapes are available for generating the flat pattern layout or fabrication layout. I am just explain you what are the shapes that are used in this fabrication calculators or flat pattern generator. Here you can layout or flat pattern. You can generate flat pattern for pipe section, truncated pipe section, truncated pipe at both the ends, then pipe with a branch connection just like a T connection. There is a pipe with a equal diameters, T connection with unequal diameters, or pipe intersection with offset centers. Then there are some options are also for cone flat pattern layouting. There is a cone to pipe intersection at perpendicular axis or pipe to cone intersection at parallel axis. Similarly, there is one option is also for when pipe truncated by some radius. And the cone for cone flat pattern, there are full cone options available, truncated cone options available, multi-level truncated cone or multi-level cones options are also available, eccentric cone, multi-level eccentric cone, then toricone at that means knuckle radius at large end and knuckle radius at both ends. These two options for the toricone are also included in this app. Then square to round section, round to square section, then pyramidal sections, then spear fabrication, the petal type spear layout, and then descent or hemi-descent layout, then miter bend flat pattern layout or screw plight layout. These are the 22 shapes that are used in this calculator, that are available in this calculator for generating the flat pattern layout. You can use this calculator according to your use. In this video, I am not going to explain all the options. I am just explaining one options over here so that you can understand how to use this app. You can try all these options one by one once you download this app, and you can utilize this app on your day-to-day fabrication activity. For the simplification of this calculation, I am just clicking on the multi-level cone option that is new to most of our viewers. I'm explaining multi-level cone flat pattern layout generating. I'm just clicking on the multi-level level cone. When you click on the any option, it will open the input page. In every input page there is a certain image over there. To understand what are the notations used for the input fields, you have to study that image or you have to study that drawings and identify what are the dimensions that require for the input. So all dimensions are used in this apps are in or metric system. You have to understand that you have to give all the dimensions input as in metric system or system. And below this image there is an input panel over there. You have to input all the dimensions that are required here, and after that you have to click on calculate button. I am just, for example, I am taking one example where the D is a larger diameter of this cone. I am taking 1000 mm as a larger diameter. Small d as a smaller diameter of this cone. I am taking 350 mm as a smaller diameter of this cone. I am taking overall height of this cone is an 800 mm, and n is for multi-levels. As this we are using this tool for multi-level cones, that's why n is for how much number of levels you want to generate this cone. I am just taking 3 levels, but I am generating this cone by using 3 levels. And after completing all the dimensions, you have to just click on the calculate button. When we click on calculate button, it will display one result screen. Over the flat pattern shapes of this image is written over there, and there is 3 options. And below that image there are 3 options are there. One is for click here to layout for level 1 cone. And in this case what happens, if you are generating the cones in a multi-level, then every level cone has a different layout. That's why it's showing the 3 options over there. You have to see the flat pattern layout for level 1, level 2 and level 3. For if you want to marking for the level 1 cone, just click on the level 1 button and it will display the marking dimensions for this multi-level cone. Click on the back button, and similarly you can get various flat pattern dimensions for level 2 cone also and level 3 cone also. You will get cone layouting markings for all your multi-level cones, all the levels of cones. You can enter any number of levels in this app, and you can use these dimensions for layouting your flat pattern or fabrication layout. I'm just going on to home page of this app. In the home page, all the options that are related to the fabrications, all the 22 shapes are covered over there. You can use one by one as per your fabrication applications, or you can use anytime you are in day-to-day fabrication. It is very handy tool. You can use at anywhere and anytime. Similarly, you can use various options or various applications or calculators that are developed by the LESFab that are available in our website, our app page, where lots of the fabrication calculators or fabrication tools has been developed by the LESFab that can be help in your day-to-day fabrication. You can use this. You can also try that calculators that can help you to in your fabrication activities. Similarly, if you want to learn from us, you can also join our courses that are available on our website. Our courses sections, you can visit our courses page where all the information related to our courses has been available there. You can join as per your requirement. If you find this video as informative, comment this video, like this video and share this video with all your friends that are working in the fabrication field, and subscribe our channel so that you will get notifications related to the fabrications. Whatever knowledge we share in the YouTube, you will get information by notification. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.